Hi guys, almost the final episode with this a huge model of AH-1G Cobra US attack helicopter in 1:32 scale from ICM. You can see it on a screen and all the result of previous videos. Okay, and today will be some upgrades dedicated to this model. So we have here workable propellers, main and the rear one. Some interior stuff, first of all cabin's interior, and additionally we have transmission set that was included also in this kit. So I said that today will be some upgrades. Let's start with that. We have in this kit optional front turrel with armament. You can choose one of the variation with a single minigun, or other one option is with a minigun and with a 40mm grenade launcher. Let's choose second option with duplicated armament. First of all, we made a hole in a grenade's launcher barrel, a little bit thicker than it is, and also correct it's with a sharp blade. Be careful with such instruments. Minigun, yeah, there are two of them in this kit, one of them I use for my upgrades. Okay, I will totally rebuild this minigun. First of all, I make slices, drill holes in them, and then insert in that holes in slices needles that will represent barrels of this minigun. It would be easier process if you at first make holes and then make slices in minigun. And in general you have to be very careful because plastic of this kit is very soft and fragile. To achieve barrels from needles from syringe, I cut off sharp side of it with the help of the wire cutters and then polish the tail with the file or small rasp. Most difficult part of this job is to do everything carefully and precise. Well, if you failed with one of these machine guns, you have also another one. And finally, I achieved such an upgraded minigun. Moreover, I added one more needle in the center of it and now it's workable. Well, not workable, but you can twist it like a real one minigun. Well, I do that mostly for fun. So now we can finally install this front turrel to the main section of the helicopter, and if you remember from the previous episode, this helicopter has some problems with the balance, so I add here some metal stuff inside this turrel to make this helicopter more balanced. And this role will play such a metallic screw. I will fix it with a drop of super glue gel. After this I will install turrel into the fuselage of this helicopter. Turret wouldn't be movable, it will be static. One more small upgrade. If we put our main propeller on main axis, you can see that it is imbalanced. Okay, so we have some problems with this propeller and it seems that one part of it is heavier than another one. So what I decided to do, I drill a hole in one side of this propeller and insert the 1mm thickness piece of metallic wire. I did this piece a little bit longer than it have to be. And by making try-on operations for several times, I found out how long this piece of wire have to be. So extra wire I cut off with the wire cutters. And in such a way I receive balanced propeller, and that's okay. In general I can say that this helicopter looks pretty cool. Later I will add some putty in that place where the hole was drilled. Finally, pre-painting works and painting masks. You can find somewhere in local shops or internet ready for use painting masks, but I will do them by myself with the help of modeling tape and with the help of instruction, because in instruction there are templates for modeling masks to this helicopter. So layer by layer applied masking tape, cut off extra tape and remove template piece of modeling tape and apply it on the transparent parts. Not a perfect result, but not bad. And I added some additional extra modeling tape, some layers additionally, and received in the end good masks, ready for painting. Additionally, I add some modeling tape directly inside pilot's cabin and put over them our transparent parts. I do that because I decided that it would be easier to paint these transparent parts in such a way. Yep, instruction was damaged a little bit, but it's not a problem. If it is a problem for you, you can make a copy of it before you make painting masks. In some scale models like this one, or especially when you're assembling model kits of cars in 1 to 24 scale, it can take a lot of time and efforts, I mean preparational works for painting. Now everything ready for painting, some details will be painted separately, like propeller, hood for transmission compartment and main armament, like these blocks with unguided missiles. I covered all the model with a yellow primer from Vallejo. Okay guys, next time we will paint everything here with olive green paint, add decals, hang main armament on wings and finish this project. Hope you enjoy this video. You can subscribe, press like or leave some feedback if you want. I can say you good luck, stay tuned and bye.